guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing for the month of May. A little card on top. Spring has sprung. And here are my snack items. First one, I've got this several times. Bunches of Crunches. This is a superfood granola. This is dark chocolate with sea salt. And honestly, as many times as I've gotten this, I've never ate it. My husband has always put it in his yogurt. I assume it's good or else he wouldn't be eating it. So yeah, there's ancient grains in this one, chia seeds, and all sorts of stuff. So I got that. Next I have Crave and Rave. This is bite-sized crackers, 100-calorie pack, and they're baked, not fried. 8 grams of whole grain. I've never heard of these, but I bet those are probably pretty good. Packaging's cute too. Next up we have a turkey snack stick. I like those. Turkey ones aren't bad. Now chickpeas. One thing I just cannot bring myself to like. I've tried all different flavors. Not a fan. Like, I'll eat it, but not a fan. This is just sea salt. They are very crunchy, but to me they taste very dry when you eat them. Like, they dry out my mouth. It's like chewing on, I don't even know what. Crunchy but dry. So those are not my favorite, but I'll still eat them. Ooh, these look fun. Daryl Lee Real Twists. Soft and delicious. No high fructose corn syrup. These are strawberry candies. They look like they're cut up, and they kind of look like little Twizzlers, if you can see them in there. So, ooh. I'm fasting now, but I'm going to eat those tomorrow. I'm going to share them with the kids. Then I have a Kind bar. I have had these before that I've bought on my own. They're very good. I like the Kind bars. Dark chocolate, cherry cashew, plus antioxidants. There's some vitamins A and C, and gluten-free, and all sorts of stuff. I used to eat the mint chocolate ones all the time when I was pregnant with Raylan. My little snack. These are Incredible Puffs, cinnamon apple flavored little puffy sticks. So instead of chips, they taste like cinnamon apple. Cute little picture of a grandma. Haven't had those, but those look fun. I feel like we got a lot of snacks this month. I have got a couple of these. I don't remember if I tried them. I haven't got this flavor though. This is a cacao nibs. It's a tahini bar, which is a super seed sesame bar. 100-calorie size. So I got that. And the last one are some almond rice pops with blueberries. Definitely had these before. These are really good. They're real tiny, but the little blueberries have a lot of flavor and they're pretty delicious. And we have some cards at the bottom. Advertising for a drink called Glow. That looks pretty interesting. It has vitamins and stuff in it. And then Wave Soda. I have not heard of that. But it has sparkling water with some juice. And it is caffeinated. I've been drinking a lot of sparkling water, so if I ever see that in the store, I'll definitely try it out. But yeah, that's what I got. Only 2 repeat snacks. Everything else is new. And yeah, that's what I got. If you guys want to sign up, I'll put my link below. I also have a playlist if you want to get a better idea of what all comes in a box. I've been subscribed for years, so check out my playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.